If you've been searching for project management certification courses, you've probably seen too many options. PMP, CAMP, Prince2, free courses, paid courses, beginner courses, advanced courses. And after some time, it becomes so confusing. The real question is not just which course is popular. The real question here is which project management certification course is right for my level. Because project management is not only about creating timelines or assigning tasks. It's about planning work properly, managing people, handling risks, controlling budgets, communicating with stakeholders, and making sure a project actually gets delivered. And today, companies across IT construction, healthcare, finance, consulting, product teams, and operations need professionals who can manage projects with structure and confidence. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through some of Simplilearn's project management certification courses with 3 paid options for serious certification preparation and 2 free options for learners who want to start from the basics first. So let's begin. So the first course is PMP Certification Training. So if you're already working in project management or have experience managing projects, this is one of the strongest courses to consider. PMP stands for Project Management Professional, and it is one of the most recognized project management certifications worldwide. Now this course has a 4.4 rating, more than 40,000 ratings, and around 116.2k learners, which makes it one of the most popular project management certification courses of all time. So now, what do you actually learn from here? This course is designed to help you prepare for the PMP exam and is aligned with the latest PMP exam outline and the PMBOK guidance. You can learn predictive, agile, and hybrid project management approaches along with topics like governance, risk management, stakeholder engagement, value-driven delivery, sustainability, and even generative AI in project management. So this course also includes live instructor-led training, 35 contact hours, simulations, practice questions, study plans, cheat sheets, expert application support, and exam-focused preparations. And the reviews are also very strong. Learners have mentioned that the course is well structured, trainers explain the concepts clearly, and the flexibility of learning from anywhere is helpful for working professionals. So if you're not a complete beginner and you want a serious certification-focused project management course, PMP Certification Training should be one of your top choices. The link is in the comments below. Now the second course is CAPM Certification Training. Now if PMP feels too advanced, CAPM can be a better starting point. Now CAPM stands for Certified Associate in Project Management, and it's also offered by PMI. So the main difference is simple. PMP is better for experienced project managers, while CAPM is more suitable for beginners, freshers, students, and early career professionals, including people who want to enter project management but don't have the strong project experience yet. So this course has about 4.3 rating, more than 2007 ratings, and around 8.3k learners. Now this course helps you understand project management principles, terminologies, project lifecycle concepts, PMBOK learning, and the foundation needed to prepare for the CAPM exam. It's also including 23 PDUs, mock tests, and generative AI masterclasses, which makes CAPM useful that it gives you a structured entry into the project management field. Now, if you're from IT, business, operations, marketing, engineering, or even fresher background, this course can help you build confidence before moving towards advanced certifications like PMP. Learners usually choose CAPM when they want global project management recognition, but still early in their career. So if you want a certification path but don't yet meet the PMP level experience requirements, CAPM Certification Training is a smarter choice. The link is given in the comments below. Now the third course is Prince2 Foundation and Practitioner Certification Training. So this one is very important because not every learner wants to follow only the PMP path. Now Prince2 is another globally known project management methodology which is especially useful for people who want a structured, process-based approach to managing projects. So now this course has a 4.4 rating, more than 10,000 ratings, and around 26.7 learners. Prince2 focuses on project roles, responsibilities, business justification, planning, risk, quality, change control, and stage-wise project management. In simple words, it teaches you how to manage projects in a very organized and controlled way. So this course is useful for professionals who work in structured project environments like consulting, IT services, government projects, operations, or organizations where process and governance matter a lot. The reviews also highlight practical value. So the learners have mentioned that the instructors used real-life examples, explained concepts in simple language, and helped them understand the Prince2 methodology more clearly. So if PMP is more about broad project leadership and CAPM is more beginner-focused, Prince2 is great for people who want a clear project management method that can be applied step by step. The link for the same is in the comments below. Now let's move to the free courses. And the fourth course is PMP Basics. If you're interested in PMP but not ready to directly enroll in a paid PMP certification course, this free course is a very good starting point. Now, this course has a 4.6 rating and around 99.5k learners, which shows that a lot of beginners are using it to understand PMP concepts before taking the next step. The course covers project management fundamentals, project planning, time management, cost management, quality management, communication management, risk management, stakeholder management, project charters, earned value project management tools, agile concepts, and even project manager interview questions. Now, the best part is that it's free, self-paced, beginner-friendly, and comes with a completion certificate. So, learner reviews mention that the course is informative, well-structured, easier to follow, and useful for understanding PMP basics. Some learners also like the interview question section and real-world examples because they make the concepts easier to connect with actual real-world projects. So now if you're asking, should I learn PMP basics before paying for the certification course? Then yes, this course is a good first step. The link is in the comments below. The fifth and final course is Foundation of Project Management course. This is another free option and is best for learners who want to understand the foundation before jumping into the certification-heavy courses. Now this course has a 4.3 rating and is around 2 hours long, so it's short, simple and beginner-friendly. So now you may ask, why is this course useful? Because many learners directly search for PMP, CAPM or Prince2 without understanding the basic language of project management. So before preparing for any certification, you need to know what a project is, how project goals are planned, and how teams are managed, how risks are handled, how project success is measured, and more. So this course helps you build that strong foundation. So this is useful for freshers, students, career changers, team members, business analysts, entrepreneurs, and professionals who want to understand project management before choosing a paid certification path. So I wouldn't compare this course with PMP or CAPM because it's not meant to replace them. Think of this as the first step before the certification journey. So if you're confused whether project management is right for you or not, start with this course first. This will give you enough clarity before you invest in a bigger certification course. So the link is in the comments below. So these were the 5 Simplilearn project management certification courses that I would recommend. So if you're experienced and serious about a globally recognized credential, then go for PMP certification training. If you're a beginner or an earlier career learner, start with CAPM. Now, if you want a structured project management methodology, especially for process-driven environments, check out Prince2. Now, if you want to start free before investing, begin with the PMP basics or the foundation of project management courses. The best approach is simple. Start with a free foundation course, understand the basics, then choose CAPM, PMP or Prince2 based on your experience level and career goal. All the course links are in the comments below, and if you want more career-focused course recommendations, keep following Simplilearn.